Okay, now next problem. This problem is also long question. So sem 1 differential and integral chapter. Next problem in first unit. Next problem. I hope this is 9th or 10th problem, I think. Okay. So I given some homework problems. Do the homework problems also regularly. Now see. If u is equal to f of ax square plus 2hx square plus by square and v is equal to phi of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, then prove that dou by of u dou v by dou x then dou by dou x of u dou v by dou x. So దీన్ని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ u అనేది v అనేది రెండు ఫంక్షన్స్ అండి. Here u and v are both are functions in terms of f and phi. Okay, u and v are both are functions in terms of f and phi. So here both are functions means first of all we should simplify this LHS and this RHS, then you will get some part. Based on that part we should do differentiation with respect to x or with respect to y. Okay, observe here. So given what is given, that we should write first. U is equal to f of ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square and v is equal to phi of ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square. Okay, now take this dou by dou y of u dou v by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of u dou v by dou y. Okay, now see, now it is in the form of uv. V by dx of uv is what? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. This is only LHS part. Now write RHS part. So u into derivative of dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou y derivative of u by dx of. Now see here, u into dou square v by dou x dou y dou y dou x and dou x dou y plus dou v by dou y, sorry, dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y is equal to same u into dou square v by dou x dou y plus dou v by dou y into dou u by dou x. If you observe from LHS we have in LHS u into dou square v by dou y dou x and then dou square v by dou x dou y. Both are same. So these two will cancel. What you will get? Dou v by dou x is equal into dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou y into dou u by dou x. Why? Because these two are same. If you bring this to LHS side, it will become minus of, here it is plus, here it is minus. So these two will become cancelled. Okay? Then what you will have here? LHS for dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y will be RHS for dou v by dou y into dou u by dou x మిగిలింది అన్నమాట. So మనం ఇప్పుడు దేన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? We have to find only these four parts. If you find these four parts, if you show the two are equal, then automatically these two will be equal. So now what we have to find? We have to find for u dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Means with respect to x we have to do differentiation, with respect to y we have to do differentiation. For this also with respect to x we have to do differentiation, with respect to y also we have to do differentiation. See, now u is equal to f of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. f. With respect to x and with respect to y, we should do differentiation. Partial derivative. Apply partial derivative with respect to x and both sides. So dou u by dou x. Difference is now f of x is f dash of x. F dash of x square is 2hxy plus by square. Again we should do inner derivative. Inner derivative, that is dou by dou x of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay, now it is f dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So d by dou by dou x of ax square will become this, a will become constant. For x square we have 2x. So a into 2x plus a 2xy is constant. For x it is 1. Here it is 0. Okay. With respect to x we are doing x square 2x. X is 1. This will become 0. This will become 2hy. This will become 2hx. See right now f dash of x square plus 2hxy plus by. If we take 2 as common, the 2 will come here. 2 of ax plus hy. Okay, this is dou u by dou x. Now again apply partial derivative with respect to y to u on both sides. Okay, with respect to y to u means on this, for this u we have to do partial derivative with respect to y. Same will come here also. Dou u by dou y is equal to f dash of ax square plus 2hxy by square into dou by dou y of ax square plus 2hxy plus by. Inner derivative. Now here it is f dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into, here it is 0 plus here it will become 2hx. For y it will become 1. Y square it is 2y, so it is 2by. So finally, if we take 2 common here, this 2, write one more step. Ax square plus 2hx square plus by square. So here, if we take 2 common, after writing this I am taking 2 as common, the 2 will come here. 2 f dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into hx plus by. Okay, this is what dou u by dou y. Now, so dou u by dou x came. This is equation number 1. This is 2. Now we have to find for phi also we should find, for b also we should find both with respect to x and with respect to y. B is equal to phi of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So for this also we should find both, no? So apply partial derivative with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so this is what dou v by dou x is equal to phi dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into dou by, with respect to x we are doing dou by dou x of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So it is, now it is what? Continue. Phi dash of dou v by dou x is equal to phi dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into, with respect to x we are doing is here x square will become 2x, but this x is 1, here it is 0. So it is what? 2ax plus 2xy plus 0. Okay, same is only 2ax plus 2xy plus 0. If we take 2 common, then it will become 2 phi dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into ax plus hy. Okay, now again this is what dou v by dou x. Now we should find dou v by dou y. Since apply partial derivative with respect to y to v on both sides. So on v, for v we should find dou v by dou y. So dou v by dou y is equal to phi dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into dou by dou y of ax square plus 2hxy plus by. Okay, now see next step, phi dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into, so it will become what? Here it is 0, it is 2hx plus 2by. So next step, dou v by dou y is equal to, like the same, dou u by dou y like that only, it will come in place of f we have phi, like that only, phi dash x square 2hxy plus by square into hx plus by. Okay, now see we got all the terms what we need, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y, dou u by dou x. So let it start. Now from start Lx is equal to dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou x, where it is here it is. So 2 phi dash of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square into ax plus hy. So this is total dou v by dou x, okay, into this into dou one thing here. See, if you observe all the terms ax square plus 2hx plus by square is common. So let మనకు చిన్నగా ఇది let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to some z. Okay, you should substitute z in that all. So what it will become? Dou u, what we need? Dou v by dou x. I am writing all once. Dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x will become 2f dash of z, 2f dash of z into ax plus hy. Next dou u by dou y will become, here it is dou u by dou y, f dash of 2 f dash of z, 2 f dash of z hx plus dy, hx plus dy. Okay, now dou v by dou x 2 phi dash of z, dou v by dou x 2 phi dash of z ax plus hy. Next dou v by dou y phi dash of z to phi dash of z hx plus vy. Now coming to star, from star is what? Dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y. So dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y. See, dou u by dou v by dou x here it is, dou u by dou y here it is. These two we should multiply. If you multiply then what you will get? 4, 2 to the 4, f dash of z, so phi dash of z into f dash of z hx plus by into ax plus hy. Okay, ax plus hy, all multiplications. Next, this is what only LHS. Now coming to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then the our theorem is proved. Dou v by dou y into dou u by dou x. So dou v by dou y where it is? Dou v by dou y, dou u by dou x. 2 to the 4. Same phi dash of z into f dash of z into hx plus by into ax plus hy. If you observe these two, both are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, this is proved. What is the dou by dou y of u dou v by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of u dou v by dou u dou v by dou. Okay, వినండి మరోసారి. ప్రాబ్లం ఇది సాల్వ్ చేసే ముందు మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ? dou by dou y of u dou v by dou x అని ఇచ్చింది. మరి u అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ x అండ్ y లో ఉండే ఫంక్షన్. u అనేది ఒక ఫంక్షన్ అన్నాడు, v అనేది కూడా ఒక సెపరేట్ ఫంక్షన్ అన్నాడు. సో మనం అక్కడ ఉన్నది డైరెక్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మనకు రాదు. డైరెక్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేయడం కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్. సో అదే అనవసరం. ఏం చేయాలి ముందు మరి? ఇక్కడ u v రెండు ఫంక్షన్స్ కాబట్టి u v రెండు ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ x అండ్ y లో ఫంక్షన్స్ కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ముందు ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్ నే సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్ ని సాల్వ్ చేసి సింప్లిఫైడ్ ఫామ్ లో తీసుకొస్తాం. వచ్చిన సింప్లిఫైడ్ ఫామ్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ చేసి అవి రెండు ఈక్వల్ గా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం. చూద్దాం ఎట్లా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇది ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నది. సో u into v, u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u is equal to same u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. Okay, now dou square v dou by dou y of dou v by dou x అంటే dou square v by dou by dou x. So here dou v by dou x into dou v by dou y. Here it is u into dou square v by dou x dou y and dou v by dou y into dou v by dou x. So these both terms are same. That's why we are cancelling. So what here left? Dou v by dou x into dou v by dou y. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? dou v by dou y into dou v by dou x. So now if you find this for this u and v with respect to x with respect to y partial derivative, so you will get answer. Okay, why? With dou v by dou x, here v is there with respect to x we have to do partial derivative. Dou v by dou y means here u is there with respect to y we should do partial derivative, and here v is there with respect to y we should do partial derivative. For this u with respect to x we should do partial derivative. So here u, how to do partial derivative with respect to x for u means for f of x the partial derivative of f of x is what? F dash of x. So f dash of x I know. Again why we are doing inner derivative? If inner derivative is x means f dash of x. If inner part is x means f dash of x will come. See here d by dx of f of x value f dash of x. Here also we have to do inner derivative for this x. So what is the d by dx of x? D by dx of x value is 1, so that we are not writing this d by dx part. Directly we are writing f dash of x. Understand? But here inner part is not in terms of x. This inner part is in the function of x and y. It is not a single variable x. Not only x. It is a polynomial. So that we should do inner derivative also. Okay? ఈ ఇన్నర్ పార్ట్ కి పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ x చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి y అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ టర్మ్ మొత్తం 0 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ a అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫర్ x2 it will come 2x. Here 2y is constant with respect x we are doing 2h is constant 2hy also 2hy constant for x it is 1. Okay, for x it is 1. Okay, now if we take 2 in this 2 as common, here it will come to f dash of this total part to x plus h square. Same like this we should do with respect to y. Same like this for b with respect to x and with respect to y partial derivative. So finally we got up to here. See here, if you observe in this inside part for all it is same x square plus 2hx square plus by square. So that much big if you writing out that much big it is somewhat difficult. That's why I am taking this total part as some z. Okay, some z. This total part as some z. Okay, substitute the z in this 4 parts: dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou y. If you substitute in place of x square plus 2x square plus by square z, we will get these 4 equations. Okay, now come to star equation number star. In that LHS is what? Dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y. Dou v by dou x into dou u by dou y. We should multiply these two. If you multiply these two, 2 to the 4, 5 dash of z, f dash of z, and hs plus by, x plus h square. If you multiply these two, what you will get? 4 into same you will get. Okay. So now RHS are equal, definitely LHS should be equal. Therefore, from star these two are also equal. LHS equal to RHS, else what you given that is true. Dou by dou y of u into dou v by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of u into dou v by dou y. Okay. So it is clear. Okay, now if you have any doubts you can ask. Okay. This is the important problem in first unit. Important problem. So long question problem. I hope all you understand. Thank you.